using to make easy money online right from your phone every single day. You can do any of these things in your spare time while you are watching TV or at the doctor's office. And by combining all or even just some of these apps, you can easily help pay for life's expenses, or possibly even more than that. Now let's get started. Number 1. Global Adventures. Are you someone who enjoys being outdoors or in nature? Or maybe you don't, but you have to be outside to get somewhere anyways. Well, with the Global Adventures app, you can make money by walking, biking, or using a drone to film around your city and upload it in exchange for up to $100 per video that is over half an hour long. There is some serious earning potential here. Uploading videos to Global Adventures is a breeze. All you need to do is visit their website and click on the Submit Video icon. Then answer a few simple questions and click Submit. Making money through your videos is totally possible, provided that you follow some basic guidelines. You just have to make sure you aren't swearing or anything, and only submitting high-quality videos that don't have any fuzz or camera shaking. Here is what you do. With your iPhone and Android, go to the phone settings and scroll down to the camera section. You'll find an option for recording video at 4K with 24 frames per second. Turning these on will bring out your hidden photography and videography skills. Videos made with cinematic effects are likely to draw more attention and look much better in quality. You'll be making money in no time. Number 2. The Miles app. Wouldn't it be great to be compensated for walking, driving, riding a bike, using the bus, or doing anything else? That is the idea behind the Miles app. Just download the app, sign up, enable location services, and set it to always before setting it and forgetting it. Your miles will be automatically logged by the app, and then you can exchange them for gift cards and other rewards. How much money you may make on it will solely depend on how frequently you move about. Users on Reddit said they were able to get a $100 gift card by using the app, and you get to bid for the specific kinds of gift cards you want. Number 3. Observa. With the help of the app Observa, you can use your phone to take images and respond to a few questions to earn money through PayPal. Essentially, what you're doing is helping companies make sure they are being displayed the way they want at establishments like Walmart, Target, gas stations, and similar places, while following the app's instructions to complete the audit. So, for example, a company like Lay's or Hershey's might use Observa and want you to take a picture of the shelf where the bag of Lay's chips is located at a Walmart nearby. And so you would go to the store and take a picture of the bag of chips within the app before uploading the picture. Occasionally, the app will offer secret shopper opportunities for you to go out to eat or shop and get paid to do it. As a secret shopper, it's very easy money, and the average job only takes about 20 minutes or less to complete. You'll typically earn between $4 and $20 per job, depending on where you are. But just be aware, you need to make sure you are taking clear pictures and accurately following directions on how they want their images sent to them. On Reddit, many users have complained about getting rejected because they did not take good enough pictures. Number 4. 1Q. The next app is called 1Q, and it's probably not something you've heard of, but it absolutely deserves to be on this list. This is an app that pays you money to answer short questions. The app is super easy to use, so you don't have to waste a bunch of time filling out answers. It's perfect for anyone looking for an easy way to make money, and as a bonus, it's a fun way to connect with other people who may have similar issues. This app pays you anywhere from 25 cents to over $3 per question. If you want, it has also partnered with charities across the country to help others in need. You can support any one of their approved nonprofits by directly donating your answer payments via the mobile app. Number 5. Amazon Shopper Panel. Amazon has recently released an app called the Amazon Shopper Panel, where you can make quick money using your phone. It is a really simple way of making money, so it's definitely worth paying attention to. By downloading this app, you can get monthly rewards by simply sharing your receipts from purchases made outside of Amazon.com, completing short surveys, and turning on ad sharing. All you need to do is upload 10 eligible receipts into the app each month. So at the very least, you can expect to earn at least $10 per month using this app. Not Amazon gift cards, but actual cash. If you do other things like take surveys or participate in ad sharing, you can expect to earn even more. It doesn't get any easier than that. Number 6. The Social Good app. Next up, take a look at this amazing app that provides up to 100 crypto cash back for everyday shopping. It's an incredible revolutionary global project based on blockchain technology. It's called the Social Good. It is currently the world's largest shop-to-earn app, and for good reason. Let's say you're shopping online at Best Buy and you buy a new TV for $1,000. If you made that purchase through the Social Good app, you would earn up to 1,000 Social Good rewards, which you can then exchange for crypto. You would also automatically earn up to 15% interest on staking rewards on all the SG you hold, or you could exchange SG for other major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and USD Tether because SG is listed on major exchanges. It has over 2 million users and is expected to grow exponentially. It is free, simple to use, and secure, with over 70 registered patents. Start earning up to 100 crypto cash back by clicking the link in the description of this video. And as a new user, you'll receive a 100 sign-up bonus. Number 7. Add a Poll. Another app on the list is Add a Poll, which is an app that lets you take short surveys and get instant cash payouts. You can earn free money every single day simply by completing daily polls. On average, you can expect to earn anywhere from 15 cents to $6 per survey that you take. Keep in mind that most of these surveys are relatively short and can be completed in just a few minutes or less. So that means you can add up the amount of money you make pretty quickly. Number 8. Webull. Webull is an app that deserves some attention on this list. You can make thousands of dollars instantly in the stock market just by signing up. With this app, you can make money through stock dividends and free stocks, meaning you can make passive income with minimal effort. It's definitely worth having it on your list of investment apps. By simply clicking the Webull link in the description below to create a free Webull account, you will receive 12 free stocks worth up to $36,000 when you deposit just one single penny. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. It's an incredibly great advantage, and once you've downloaded the app, it's the perfect moment to think about investing in your future. Here at The Stash, we are passionate about helping you build wealth and secure financial freedom. Stay tuned as we will release more videos that highlight how to increase your assets so that you can experience a greater sense of fulfillment while having fewer responsibilities. Number 9. Mobi. Picture yourself as a loyal Starbucks customer, even if you don't usually drink their coffee. Imagine that you go there 2 or 3 times per week and buy your coffee without doing anything else. With the Mobi app, you can now make money just by going to stores you already go to all the time. Through its secret shopping feature, you can easily earn rewards while simply enjoying your cup of coffee. Mobi offers a great way to earn rewards. All you have to do is answer questions about the businesses and restaurants that you visit. By providing honest feedback, you can get money. Earning money on Mobi is so easy. All you do is complete missions to put some extra cash in your pocket. On average, users make anywhere between $5 to $10 per mission. Number 10. Peer-to-profit. Speaking of earning money for doing nothing, what if there was a way to do it on your computer or phone just by using it the same as you always do? That's exactly what Peer-to-Profit does. All you have to do is download the app and keep living your life, and the app literally pays you every single month just for having it installed. And the more devices you install on this app, the more money you'll make. On average, you can expect to make about $8.50 per month per device. It works by selling all of your unused internet power to advertisers, internet companies, and marketing agencies. This is the data you're not even using anyways, so you won't feel like you are giving up anything. These companies take this data and use it to analyze competitors, validate advertisements, and get market insight. So the more devices you have, the more money you can make. To get started, just click the link in the description below and sign up. Simply download the app to your devices, then collect the money. Number 11. The Hire a Car app. Now more than ever, it's easy to be your own boss, especially with rideshare or delivery apps like Uber and Grubhub. But there's a problem. Not everyone has a good, reliable car, so they can't go out and make the money they want to. That's where the Hire a Car app comes in. HireCar is a platform that lets you rent out your car to drivers, to gig workers, to earn an easy passive income consistently. And you can arguably make even more money renting your car out on this app than other companies, such as Turo. By simply installing the HireCar app and tapping on the Rent-A-Car link, you can start earning hundreds of dollars in just a matter of days. Plus, your car is protected by HireCar's $1 million liability protection and a warranty, so you don't have to worry about damage or accidents caused to your vehicle. Number 12. MindSwarm. MindSwarm is a great app to make money. It pays more than many other survey apps. The minimum payout per study is as high as $10, and some studies can even earn you up to $50. This makes it a great option to generate extra income with minimal effort. MindSwarm is an app that allows you to apply for studies, record quick 40 to 60-second video responses, and then get paid. It's really that easy, and you can get paid within 24 hours through PayPal. Don't forget to make sure the videos submitted are at least semi-professional and concise. Number 13. Piñata. Paying rent every month is unavoidable, but that doesn't mean it can't be rewarding. Now you have the chance to save money and build your credit score just by paying your rent on time. With Piñata, you can get amazing rewards for simply confirming your rent payments on time. Every time you need to pay rent, head over to the app and confirm it. It's that simple. This app offers an awesome way to save money on everyday needs and wants. The app goes one step ahead and offers a really cool feature that allows you to opt in for credit score improvement. Your rent payments will be reported to all major credit agencies every month, helping to build your credit history. You can expect to earn about $20 in cash each month, which you can then use to buy gift cards and other rewards. This is essentially free money because since you have to pay your rent anyway, you might as well get paid for doing it. Number 14. D-Scout. It stands for Digital Scout. It's a company where they conduct research studies and pay you for your time. You earn money by completing missions. Use your experiences to influence leading brands and get an early look at what innovative companies are building by being a part of the process. And the best part is you'll get paid handsomely. D-Scout has rewarded scouts over $7 million so far and pays promptly with PayPal. The app is free to download. Then you apply to the missions by taking a quick survey, typically less than 5 minutes. If you fit the mission, you'll be invited to earn that amount. Typically, missions pay out anywhere between $20 to $250. On Reddit, there are lots of people talking about how they've been able to earn thousands of dollars on D-Scout, and some have made $5,700 in just 2 months. Number 15. Make Money. The last but not least app on our list is Make Money. This is an app that can help you make money from the comfort of your home. Just install the app, create an account, and start completing various tasks to begin earning money. It couldn't be simpler. There are plenty of activities that you can do to earn points, from taking surveys to playing games. Each game will provide you with specific instructions on how to receive your points. For instance, if you play Mafia City, you will be rewarded with 53,000 points, and once you reach level 21, you can get a $50 PayPal payout just by having fun. You can even earn more points easily depending on how often you use the app. Get rewarded for your gaming and survey-taking efforts. Earn up to $200 or more in a month. Thanks for spending some time with us today at The Stash.